back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my Mother's Day gift. So this is what I got from my Mother's Day gift from my children. I know their daddy was part of it, but basically this is for my children. So it's it says the most trusted name in kitchen, Cuisinart. Yeah, so this is a smart stick 2-speed hand blender. I haven't opened it up yet, so we're going to do that together. So I'm just going to read. It says 300 watts, power to blend smooth and fast. And I know the reason why they got me this is because I've been raving about getting a hand mixer or a hand blender, you may call it, because of my DIYs, guys. You're going to be seeing lots of DIYs in my video. So I needed this one because for the most part I've been mixing like with the hand mixer, and so I needed something, you know, better. So thank you my children, thank you my husband, thank you. I'm grateful. Now it says it has 2-speed, more blending, chopping, grinding and whisking options. So here you would see there's the chopping option, there's the blending option, there's the whisking as well, you know, and grinding, because I can see there are different things that are enclosed here in the picture. It says it's easy to use high or low speed, slim shaft, reaches deep and blend right in the pot or pitcher. Anyways, guys, so if you want to know what I'm going to be using this for, you gotta subscribe to my channel and be part of the family. Turn on your notifications so you can know when I post things. You're gonna be seeing lots of things coming your way. Anyway, so it says premium construction, durable and elegant stainless steel housing and shaft, limited 3-year warranty. So on this side is all French. I'm gonna turn it over to this part. So here, so it's explaining it further here. Here it says the most trusted name in kitchen, Cuisinart. Same word it's been saying on the other side. So it has, this is the 2-speed control, touch control, lets you blend, chop, grind or whip with a touch of a button. That's awesome. That's the pot, and then you can use it to mix for chili and stuff and all that. So this is the motor handle, 300 had motor superior blender power. It's all in there, but we're not going to deal with that detail now. So that's the blender. I guess it's detachable, stainless steel, which is good. You can dip it in the pitcher, which is good, you know, like if you're gonna blend soups, or if you're gonna mix, you know, makeup stuff and all that, you know, you have something to stick in and go right in, you understand? And why I like this option is because of the fact that like you don't have to pour in the blender and start mixing out. So you pour your mixture where you want it and you mix it and you're good to go. So this one is for chopping, this one is for grinding. Oh wow, so this one can also grind and also chop. I wonder if it can grind like dry things, like, you know, let me see, corn, almond and all that. So this one is for whipping, this one is for mixing. So apparently you could use this bowl for mixer, it's a mixer bowl. This is the whisk. Oh wow, so because this is detachable, you can either put this one here for you to whip, blend, chop or whatever, and you could also, when you detach that part, this part goes in here and then it does the job, and when you detach that one, that part goes into this one. Wow, nice. So 1, 2, 3 basically. Oh wow, nice. So it comes with a measuring beaker. I already have like a measuring cup, so we'll see. And this is Cuisinart, Canada, so Ontario, but it was made in China. Okay, it just talks about their website. Frankly speaking, I haven't never used this product, but we'll see how it goes. And this is my first immersion blender, so to speak. So we're gonna go here. Come on, and then I'm gonna open it up. I'm just gonna back this up a little bit. Oh wow. Ooh. As always, it comes with a manual. Let's see. Oh, let's see the important notice it came with. Here it says important notice return. It says product return. Do not return this product to the store. So if you had any problem, I don't know whether this one applies to, you know, all Cuisinart products or where you buy it, you know. So if the product has a problem, you're not supposed to return it to the store. So if your appliance should come defective within the warranty period, please contact our customer service center. They put their numbers there. This is their walk-in customer service center and it's in Ontario. I'm not sure if that will be feasible for you to walk in since we're in the you know, COVID-19 lockdown period. I don't know if they open up now, but they have their email as well. And for more info, that's their website. This one is written in French, so that's good to know. I better get using. I'm gonna lay that aside, and we have this one. So if you turn it around, this is the French part. If you turn it in front, this is the English part, which is good. This is read all instructions. And anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with this one. We're just gonna go straight into unboxing. So it's just giving, you know, all the details. Me as a person, I make it a habit to read through the manual before I use the product. So here it's giving you like simple recipes. I don't know if I can focus this one, but yeah, see that simple fruit smoothies, like breakfast shake for the road. Wow, peach margaritas, berry coconut shake. Oh wow, this is gonna be good. Wow, so lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of recipes and soups. Oh my gosh. So that even if you don't have any idea, buying this, at least you'd be able to kind of like have some recipes as well. Just like one price for two. You know, you're buying a product and you're also getting a cookbook. Aha. So the first portion, let's see. Oh, I'm going to take this one out first. I think it's better to take this one out first. This is the mixer. It's a little bit fragile. Like, you know, it's same with, you know, how mixers are. And oh, wow. I was expecting this measuring cup to be really big. But this is the size, y'all. Oh, I love it. It's so cute. So I'm gonna lay this aside and come back here. Oh my god, so this is the motto of the motors. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. Can you see that? Look at that size. See, and a little bit heavy. Wow, look at all the speeds. It has the high speed and the low speed. I'm just gonna unwrap it. I can show you guys. Look at that. Wow. So if you're standing it this way, you can see Cuisinart Smart Stick. This one is embossed, but this one is kind of like printed on it. I don't know if that's gonna wash off after a while. So this one has other details that we're not going to concern ourselves with. And then there's a button here. Press button to detach. Oh, wow. And then you're locking it in. So this part comes in here. Ooh, voila. Awesome. So you can see the plug-in. It means you'd have to plug it in. It won't. So this part, it doesn't go back and forth. It's just like a knob. You press, press, press. That's all. Look at it. It's not bad. See? Anyways, I'm just gonna lay this aside and see what else is in there. I almost feel like there should be more in here. Is that all? Oh, that's our stick. So I'm gonna take this one off. Wow, look at that, very sharp. You have to be careful. Just gonna lay this right here. Now I want to unravel this one. So it's telling you here you can whip cream and egg whites, and you can also grind nuts and chocolate, chop vegetables and dried spices, and blend smoothies and soups. Okay, there, finally locked it in. So I got this one, that one. I'm just gonna bring everything back so we can see what. So this is everything, guys. I'm just gonna, so I'll press on this, so this will come off. Now I'm gonna lay this right here. Okay, and you see this part and see this part, so it just goes in here. There you go, and it locks. So if you want to take it out, just pull it out, that's all. Just basically put it in there and pull it out, that's all. Okay, I'm gonna lay this right here, and I'm going to eject this one. Okay, I'm gonna lay that right there. Oh wow, that went easy. Oh my god, this thing is long. It is long, see? It is awesome. This is long. Eject. This one came out pretty easy. And this one, that's awesome. Look, came out pretty easy. This in and out, that's all. Wow. So I wonder what this look is for. I guess when you're grinding or blending or something, you know. So guys, this is it. Anyway, it's my first time, you know, having this one and getting to use an immersion blender. I know for some of you it's not new, so you're used to it. So kind of let me know your experience, and if you've ever used Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-speed blender before, what was your experience with that? So this is all for today. Kindly subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And please help me say thank you to my children, because I'm going to be showing them the comments that you guys leave. Thank you so much. God bless. See you next time. Bye.